In this video, we shall discuss 10 fastest growing economies in the world. Several countries are currently experiencing impressive economic growth, driven by booming industries, strategic investments, and expanding opportunities. These economies are making headlines for their remarkable progress, despite various challenges. Cambodia, ranked 10th, is projected to grow at 5.9% in 2024 as it continues to recover from the pandemic. The country's growth is largely driven by key sectors like tourism, manufacturing, and agriculture. Cambodia's garment industry, which accounts for over 80% of its exports, remains a significant contributor to the economy. Tourism, particularly at UNESCO World Heritage Sites, has rebounded, becoming an increasingly important sector for the country. In addition, agriculture, with rice and high-value crops as key exports, is seeing continued expansion. Infrastructure investments, particularly those made through China's Belt and Road Initiative, are also helping attract foreign investment, bolstering the country's economic recovery. Ranked 9th, the Philippines is expected to grow at 6.2% in 2024, with its economy thriving on outsourcing, manufacturing, and tourism. The country remains a world leader in business process outsourcing, BPO, contributing more than $30 billion annually to the economy. The Philippines' manufacturing sector has been growing steadily, driven by electronics, automotive, and textiles industries. Tourism, which is bouncing back, is another crucial pillar, with a significant revenue contribution of $4 billion in 2023. The growth of the middle class and infrastructure development further boost the Philippines' economic expansion, positioning it for a positive future. Nigeria, in 8th place, is projected to grow by 6.5% in 2024. While the country's economy has traditionally been dependent on oil, significant diversification efforts are underway. Agriculture has seen notable growth, while the fintech sector is expanding rapidly, positioning Nigeria as a fintech hub in Africa. Furthermore, investments in infrastructure and renewable energy projects are helping to further stabilize and strengthen the economy. Despite challenges such as inflation and security issues, Nigeria's growing tech industry and agricultural output provide a foundation for long-term economic growth. Egypt, ranked 7th, is expected to grow by 5.9% in 2024 as it continues to modernize its economy, leveraging its strategic location and rich historical significance. The Suez Canal remains a vital global trade route, contributing significantly to national revenue. Tourism, which generated $14 billion in 2023, is another key economic driver. The Egyptian government is also investing in renewable energy, modernizing agriculture, and upgrading infrastructure, setting the stage for continued economic growth in the years ahead. These ongoing efforts are helping Egypt diversify its economy and become a more attractive destination for global investors. Vietnam, in 6th place, is expected to grow at 6.8% in 2024, cementing its position as a global manufacturing powerhouse. The country has made remarkable progress in its electronics and textiles exports, and its agriculture sector continues to thrive. Tourism, with over 10 million visitors in 2023, also plays a significant role in economic growth. Urban centers such as Ho Chi Minh City and Hanoi have become innovation hubs, fostering a dynamic business environment. As the country continues to invest in infrastructure, Vietnam's economy is poised to maintain a steady upward trajectory, driven by a combination of manufacturing, agriculture, and tourism. Indonesia, ranked 5th, is expected to grow by 5.7% in 2024, propelled by its vast natural resources, thriving manufacturing sector, and robust tourism industry. Exports from commodities like coal and palm oil remain crucial to Indonesia's economy, though the country is also investing in downstream processing, particularly in minerals necessary for electric vehicle battery production. The tourism industry is a major contributor, generating $15 billion in 2023, while urban development projects, including the relocation of the capital city, are expected to stimulate further growth. A rising middle class is fueling demand for goods and services, ensuring that Indonesia remains on a positive growth path. India, ranked fourth, is expected to grow by 6.8% in 2024, cementing its status as a major global economic player. The country's services sector, particularly information technology and software services, remains a cornerstone of its economy. Manufacturing, in industries such as automobiles, electronics, and textiles, continues to expand, adding strength to the economy. India's growing middle class is driving demand in retail, real estate, and hospitality sectors, which are further bolstered by government reforms. Agriculture, which remains an essential part of the Indian economy, also continues to be a major employer, contributing to economic growth. The country's ongoing modernization efforts are helping India maintain its strong economic momentum. Saudi Arabia, ranked third, is undergoing a significant transformation as part of its Vision 2030 initiative, diversifying away from oil dependency. The kingdom is heavily investing in sectors such as tourism, entertainment, and technology, which are expected to play a major role in driving non-oil revenues. Major projects, including the Red Sea project and the futuristic Neom City, are being developed to position Saudi Arabia as a global leader in tourism and technology. Renewable energy investments, particularly in solar and wind power, are also key to the country's future economic growth. Despite challenges such as youth unemployment, the government's ambitious Vision 2030 plans are expected to transform the economy and generate substantial growth in the coming years. The United States, ranked second, remains the world's largest economy, with a GDP of $26.7 trillion in 2023. The country's diverse economy, led by a strong services sector, positions it as a global leader in technology, finance, and innovation. The manufacturing sector is experiencing a revival, particularly in electric vehicles and semiconductors, contributing to the economic recovery. Despite facing challenges such as inflation and political polarization, the US remains a global economic powerhouse, driven by entrepreneurial spirit, technological advancements, and a robust financial system. The nation's leadership in cutting-edge industries such as AI, clean energy, and biotech ensures its continued dominance in the global economic landscape. China, ranked first, continues to lead global economic growth with a projected growth rate of 5% in 2024. The country's economy remains heavily reliant on manufacturing and exports, particularly electronics and automobiles, which are central to its economic structure. China's vast consumer market and growing middle class are significant drivers of its economic expansion, alongside advancements in digital sectors such as e-coms and fintech. The Belt and Road Initiative, a major foreign investment program, as well as China's investments in renewable energy and artificial intelligence, position the country as a dominant global economic force. Despite challenges such as an aging population and trade tensions, China's ongoing investments in high-tech industries and infrastructure ensure its continued status as the world's economic leader. These countries are proving that growth is possible in diverse sectors, with each region leveraging its unique strengths, from natural resources and manufacturing to technological innovation and strategic investments. As global economies evolve, these nations are making headlines for their impressive performance and the vast opportunities they present for both local and international investors.